I am Dr. Konstantin, and this is for those who don't know, is Rebecca, my patient care coordinator. Today we're going to talk about something very important, something that people ask us all the time, and this is
Am I too young for Botox?
we hear this question over and over again, and we're going to show you some tips and tricks that you can use to determine by yourself when is the time to start doing Botox. To determine whether you need Botox, you're gonna stand in front of the mirror just like Rebecca does now, and you're gonna do a few movements like raising your brows, just like that, frowning, and making a big, big, big smile. Not like that. Now that was Rebecca. That was the wrong kind of smile. So you need to smile without raising your eyebrows, right? So just big smile with your eyes. And if it's hard for you to do this without raising the eyebrows, you can squint instead. Squint like you're looking at something very, very tiny, perfect, like that. This way you're gonna see the wrinkles in your forehead. You're gonna see the frown lines when you frown, and you're going to see fine lines in the corners of the eyes when you smile or when you squint, and those are the ones that's going to be treated with Botox. Now, everyone has those lines. Even small kids, when they raise the eyebrows or frown, they would have the lines. But what happens with age, when somebody's forehead is completely relaxed and those lines don't go away, that's the time to start thinking about Botox. So thanks to Rebecca and her beautiful face, now you guys know what to do and how to determine whether you need Botox. So just one more time, when you look in a mirror and you raise your eyebrows, you frown, or you give yourself a big, big, big smile, if you see the lines, that's perfectly fine, and everyone has them. But when the lines refuse to go away, when your face is completely relaxed, that's the time to start thinking about doing Botox. Like, comment, and subscribe below so you find out more about cosmetic treatments and cosmetic surgery.